So today we're gonna be making a bead set using this ink that you see, not like a clay bead or anything, but we're just gonna be using these two colors. So for this one, we're gonna use this color, and then we're gonna use these hearts on the string, and we're gonna use this like clear string. I don't know if you can see it. We took it from this roll of string, so we're gonna need this much. Wait, look at it. It's shiny, and the caramel's like more silver, but it's like a rose gold. So I think we can just use this. So over here, it's gonna leave like a little bit of space. So this is how much you're gonna leave, and I'm just gonna speed this up. But I'm just gonna put half of the beads in here, so then I can get to the charm. Oh, little doggy paw. It's so shiny. It's like this gold. Okay, so oh, look how shiny they are. This is what we have done so far. I don't even need a filter to do this. Look, they're already so shiny. So over here, when you tie it, you just gotta like cut a teeny bit of it. Okay. Okay, well then, here it is. I made this for me because I'm special. And here's the final results. Okay, so I hope you guys had fun with me, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.